Hey everyone, I'm going to tell you how you can fix your TCL Smart TV if it is not turning on. So if your Smart TV is not turning on, what you should do is, the first thing you should do is you have to check the power cord if it is plugged in right. So for example, if I turn my TV off, so if my TCL TV is turned off, as you can see that middle light on the sign of the TCL, under the sign it should light up. So if it is lighting up, then that means that you have the right power connection and the power cord is connected. But if your the light is not showing up, that means that the power cable is not connected right, and there's a problem with the power supply. So if this light is not showing up and you have connected the power cable, then you should consider changing your adapter or your power cable. But after that, if you can see the light and if it still does not resolve the issue, and if you're by remote you cannot turn it on, what you should do is you should physically click the button from that side. So you should physically turn it on. So this should work and this should resolve the issue, but if it's still not turning on, then you will have to take so what you can do is you can do the power drain. You should unplug your television for at least a half an hour and then plug it back in and turn it on. By doing that, all of the extra power that is in your system should drain out and it should reset itself. And after that, you should plug it back in and then try to turn it back on. It should help, and that might fix your problem. And if it still does not work, then maybe you should contact the TCL support and get it physically checked. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.